Cortijo San Pedro is a magnificent, exquisite mansion located in Marbella, one of Spain's most desirable and exclusive areas. Only 200 meters from the sea, fully furnished with central courtyard, impressive fountain, and impeccably maintained mature gardens. This stunning property offers you complete privacy, combining country elegance and luxury living. The interior is from the hands of Marbella's top designer, Pedro Peña. He crafted one of the most tasteful Mediterranean decorations you will find anywhere across Spain. The spacious kitchen with Andalusian features includes all appliances for modern-day living, cooking, and socializing. You will be amazed by the property's smart layout. The privately located master bedroom has its own access from the main living area below, while a further 4 bedrooms on the top floor are accessible by a separate stairway. The ground floor offers plenty more bedrooms, and separate staff accommodation is conveniently situated towards the back of the building. With an average 320 days of sunshine, this mansion's garden with 180 palm trees can be enjoyed year-round. Imagine al fresco dining with private barbecue area, fully fitted kitchen, and views towards the spectacular turquoise fountain, swimming pool with teak decking, and 2 inviting jacuzzis. One of the property's highlights is the stunning Balinese pool house with its relaxing lounge area, sauna, hammam, and private massage room. Just below this tropical paradise is a fully equipped gym with in- and outdoor showers. After exercise, enjoy a game of English pool billiards or experience a thrilling movie in your own cinema room. Cortijo San Pedro is in the Beverly Hills of Southern Europe, with the best beach clubs and restaurants around the corner. Home to famous residents and only 5 minutes down the road from Puerto Banús, Spain's most luxurious marina with its super yachts. It's a rare opportunity to purchase one of Marbella's most outstanding homes.